Hello and welcome on my YouTube channel Finavi. Today we will talk about a new crypto strategy video with crypto allocation in an investment portfolio. And here a quick overview about all the topics for today and a short disclaimer, please be aware I'm only talking here about my own opinion, and investing can be very risky. You can lose your whole money, so please be aware of that. You do your research on your own before you start an investment in any cryptocurrency. And now let's get started with the topic crypto allocation. So crypto is a very high risk and high volatility asset class, but it also has a strong diversification potential. It has a quite low correlation to traditional assets like stocks, for example, and it's more long-term growth-oriented exposure. So in general, it should not be a high part of a portfolio. It should rather be a small, but an impactful portfolio share. So when we dive now into the strategy, it would be good to allocate only a limited percentage and has this crypto position as a kind of satellite in an investment. Then rebalancing regularly can also boost the performance, and in general it is more better to have a long-term holding approach instead of a trading position, and also avoid the over concentrating. So just an example, 5% crypto allocation and the other 95% could be traditional assets like stocks, index fund or something else. And the rebalancing will be annually or semi-annually. And there would also be added more crypto during market drawdowns and reducing crypto after strong rallies. So regarding the risk, we have extreme price volatility and the regulatory uncertainty. We also have some technology and custody risk. There are also high drawdowns possible, like 70 or 80%. Even if they are very popular cryptocurrency, they can still go down 70%. And emotional decision-making risk. On the other hand, the chances would be an asymmetric return potential, an exposure to blockchain innovation, portfolio diversification benefits, so it's another asset class, maybe also an inflation hedge potential, but we have to see that in future, and it has maybe a strong upside in adoption phases. And now a little bit of my own opinion. So I think it can be suitable only as a portfolio addition with a small percentage of, for example, 5% or lower. But there should always be asked the question to yourself, do I really want to be into the asset class cryptocurrency or not? So, for example, if you really don't feel well with cryptos, you should not do that, yeah, because it is always good to have a peaceful sleep without any troubles in your head about cryptocurrency and without any worries while investing. But I would say allocation size is a key, yeah. So I personally I did only start very low with 1 or 2% because I know it is a very high risk, but it may be also a higher potential for a portfolio, but it requires a very strong discipline. That's why I personally started very low percentage. And my expectation is also on a long term. So I see myself more as a long-term investor then. Well, now I'm at the end of my video. Thanks so much for watching. Please leave a like and a sub to the video and write in the comments what do you think about crypto allocation in your portfolio. And you can also join my Discord server and talk to me over there about crypto or stocks topics, whatever you like. Well, thanks for your time. I wish you a very nice day, and I will see you next week with the next analysis. Bye.